Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. Sorry about the sound, you're actually in a wind tunnel. Why you're in a wind tunnel is because we're about to do some printing, and we're going to be using a machine, and this machine's going to engrave. We're going to do a couple of plaques for a couple of doors, and because of the fumes and dust and things along those lines, we have to actually be in a vacuum, so that way there's no toxic fumes and things like that getting in the way. So we'll do one at a time. We're using this particle board here. These three dots are not, they're not from the Predator movie, but they kind of are if you put your hand near them. So I'm just going to put that about there. First thing I need to do is check where I'm actually going to be printing, and we're lining up about there. A little bit more, center it as much as possible so it looks square. Now the action starts. I'll just put on my safety goggles. I'll close this door and let's get to it. Okay, so there we have it. So what you just saw was the top layer of the paint being taken off, and now I'll just give it a quick brush down for all those burrs and things like that, and there's the finished product, and that's an aluminium colour that's coming through, and it looks very readable, two colours. And we're probably going to pop a little hole on the left and the right. This one will go on a door, which we're doing a door alarm on. And if you do want any of these signs, we will list them on our website shortly. But they're very good, they're very cheap, and they serve a purpose. You can actually just silicone them onto a door or a wall as well, or a flat surface on the back. They're aluminium composite, so they're good. They're good, and they stand out quite well. So that's making a door plate for a door. You can use these for many different things, bin rooms, garbage rooms, all those sorts of things. But that was just a quick example of how they're done and how they become a simple plate of metal into something more. Okay, thanks for watching.